Hello everyone, welcome to R&H Academy channel. And today we will learn the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. But before that, let's recall prime and composite numbers. What are prime numbers? The numbers having two factors, the number itself and 1. For example, 2, 3 and 5. They're all prime numbers. Number 2 has only two factors, the number itself and 1. Or you can also say 2 is divisible by 2 and 1. And what are composite numbers? The numbers having more than two factors. For example, 8 has four factors, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Or 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4 and 8. You have to keep three things in mind to understand the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. First, prime and composite numbers are natural numbers, or they are always greater than 0. Another, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number, and multiplication is always commutative. Commutative means A multiply B or B multiply A are same. If you remember and understand all these things, we are good to go for fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So, fundamental theorem of arithmetic says a composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. It's so fundamental in nature. For example, 6 can be expressed as 2 into 3. 6 is a composite number. And 2 and 3 are prime numbers. 6 can also be mentioned as 3 into 2. So, order is irrelevant in fundamental theorem of arithmetic. And understand this thing, that 6 can only be expressed by 2 or 3. You cannot express 6 by any other prime number, and this makes it so unique. Can you express 6 by any other prime number except 2 and 3? No. And thus, fundamental theorem of arithmetic says factorization is unique and order is irrelevant. Why? Because A into B is equal to B into A, or multiplication is commutative. So let's try to understand fundamental of theorem of arithmetic with the help of an example to deepen the understanding. So we have to express 50 as a product of prime numbers. So how can we do that? So when I mention 50, it's so intuitive and basic that 50 is divisible by 5, but we have to start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. And now 25. 25 is neither divisible by 2 nor 3, but it's divisible by 5. And since 5 is a prime number and has only two factors, 1 and 5, so here is our answer. 50 can be expressed as 2 into 5 into 5, a composite number, and 2, 5 and 5 are prime numbers. You can write it either as 2 into 5 into 5 or 5 into 2 into 5 or 5 multiply 2. Order is irrelevant in fundamental theorem of arithmetic. We'll understand more about it in next video. Just understand that it takes time to understand a new concept. So if you have any doubt, re-watch the video. If you have any other doubt, mention in the comment section. Just understand that it takes time to understand a new concept. Be patient. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and help your friends by sharing the video. Thank you.